Hello everyone, let us start exercise 8.1. Okay, hope you have learnt and trying all the formulas and identities. So on the basis of this formula and identities, we start your question number 1, exercise 8.1, page number 181. See, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. Triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB 24 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter. Then find out sin A cos A and sin C cos C. See, the first condition is what? You must know about three sides of the right triangle. Here two sides are given. So apply Pythagoras. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square 576 plus 49. That is 625. So AC equals to 25 centimeter. This is AC square. Square on the other side square root. Square root of 625 is 25 centimeter. Now I have all three sides. So the first question is about find out sin A and cos A. Sine angle is A. Formula of sine is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now opposite side of which angle? So angle is given, angle A. Opposite of angle A is 7 centimeter and hypotenuse is common 25. What is the formula of cos A? Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. For angle A, adjacent is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Second question, sin C and cos C. For angle C, formula of sine remains same. Sine is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So for angle C, opposite side is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Cos C, adjacent upon hypotenuse. For angle C, adjacent is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. So in this way, if you have three sides, you can easily find out any ratios. But the condition is what? You must know the formula. Okay, and formula is very easy, so don't worry about it. Second question. In figure is given in which triangle PQR is right triangle at angle Q. PQR, Q is 90 degree. So 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. So the first condition is what? You need to find all three sides. So apply Pythagoras again. Hypotenuse PR square equals to square of sum of the square of remaining side. PQ square plus QR square. Here is the value. PR is 13. PQ is 12. And QR that we want to find. 13 square 169, 12 square 124 plus QR square. Plus 144 to other side, it will be minus 169 minus 144 equal to QR square. So 25 equals to QR square. Square on other side, square root. So QR equals to 5 centimeter. Now you have all three sides. So you can find out easily. And the question is what? Find tan P minus cot R. For angle P, what is the formula of tan? Tan is what? Opposite upon adjacent. And cot is a reciprocal of tan. So reciprocal of tan, adjacent upon opposite. Now find out opposite side of which angle? Angle P. For angle P, opposite side is 5 and adjacent is 12 minus. For angle R now. For this angle R, adjacent side is 5 and opposite side is 12. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 will be 0. Is it? Now question number 3. If sin A equal to 3 by 4, then find out cos A and tan A. See now, triangle is not given, but one ratio is given, and you know the formula of this ratio. What is the formula of sine? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So we consider, we suppose that opposite side in a triangle, opposite to angle A is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. So let in triangle ABC, because here angle A is there, ABC angle B equal to 90 degree. A and C, we are going to find only acute angle. These two are acute angle. Okay? So this angle should be acute and one angle is always right. So we take angle B is 90. Sin A, for angle A, opposite side is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. Now find out AB. Applying Pythagoras, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. O square equals to AB square plus 3 square. 16 equals to AB square plus 9. 16 minus 9 equals to AB square. 7 equals to AB square. Square root, other side square root. So AB equals to root 7. AB is what? Root 7. Now you want to find what? See in the textbook, question number 3. Cos A and tan A. So what is cos A? Cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. For angle A, adjacent is root 7 and hypotenuse is 4. And then you have to find tan A, again for angle A. Formula of tan is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite of angle A. Angle A is opposite is 3 and adjacent is root 7. Is it okay? Now, see here. Here sin A is given 3 by 4 and I find out with the help of triangle. You can also find out with the help of formula because you know the formula. Okay? So this is the another method. Same sum. Sin A is 3 by 4 given. Sin A is 3 by 4. Now you have an identity. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. You can write theta. You can write A. I told you that this is possible only when angles are equal. Okay, recall this. See the previous video properly, not only for one time, but say it 2 to 3 times and write down all the formulas 5 times. Then and then you will get all the formula. You can fix the formula in your mind. So the identity is what? Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. We have the value of sin A. Sin A is 3 by 4. Square is 3 by 4. The whole square plus cos square A equal to 1. 3 square 9, 4 square 16 plus cos square A equal to 1. Take 9 by 16 other side. Cos square A is 1 minus 9 by 16. So cos square A equal to 16 LCM. 16 1 16 minus 9 as it is. So cos square A 16 minus 9 7 upon 16. Square root this side square root. So cos A equals to root 7 upon 4. Here we have. Now you want tan A. You know that tan A is what? According to formula, tan A is the ratio of sine and cos. When sine A upon cos A is also called tan A. We have sine A is 3 by 4 and we found the cos A, root 7 by 4. Both the 4 cancel, denominator same. So tan A equals to what? 3 by 7. 3 by root 7. Both are equal. So in this way, without applying this triangle method, you can find out with the help of formula method. Little bit maths are there. We having taking the LCM and after taking square root you will get. Okay, this method is popular method This method is best method for future study also. But don't worry, you are in 10th standard, and so up to exercise 8.1 we apply this. Afterwards, in remaining exercise we will apply formula method. Then you have to do both. Okay? See, now question number 4. See, question number 4. Given 15 cot A, 15 cot A equals to 8. Find out sin A and sec A. Find sin A and sec A. Okay, I told you that we apply triangle method in exercise 8.1. So from this 15 is in multiplication, you can take down. So cos A equal to 8 upon 15. What is the formula of cot A? Means cot, not A. Angle में छोड़ दो तुमने. So for cot is what? Adjacent upon adjacent side upon opposite side. So let in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 because we want an A angle is acute angle. ABC, B is 90. Adjacent side of angle A is 8. Angle A, adjacent is 8 and opposite is 15. Now find out AC by applying Pythagoras. Okay. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square equals to 8 square plus 15 square. 64 plus 225, that is 289. AC square equals to. So AC equals to what? Square move other side square root. Square root of 289 is 17. Now we want to find sin A. What is the formula of sine? Opposite upon hypotenuse. For angle A, opposite is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. Then find out sec A. What is sec? Sec is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Remember only sine and cos. You will get all 6 ratio that I told you. So sec A, hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse is 17 and adjacent of angle A is 8. So this is your answer. Okay. Now question number 5. Given sec theta equal to 13 upon 12. Calculate all ratios. Means 6 ratios are there. One is given sec. Calculate remaining 5. You know that cos and sec are reciprocal to each other. So from sec you can easily derive that cos equals to 12 upon 13. Reason is what? Sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Sec and cos are reciprocal to each other. In this chapter you have to learn formula. The first lecture of this chapter is very, very important. If you don't know the formula, this chapter will be renowned. Okay, so cos theta is 12 upon 13. Now you are going to find about the remaining 4. So for this we take or we suppose about triangle. Okay, here theta is given. So let in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. ABC. We suppose let angle C equal to theta. And sec is given. Sec is what? Reciprocal of cos. So hypotenuse upon adjacent. that is your sec. So for this angle theta, hypotenuse is 13 and adjacent is 12. Now find out the third side. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, applying Pythagoras. Place the value. 13 square equals to AB square plus 12 square. 169 equals to AB square plus 144. 169, take plus 144 this side, it will be minus 144 equals to, so 25 equals to AB square. Square root on the other side, square root, so AB equal to 5. Okay, AB is 5. And now you want to find all ratios. 2 are already there. So first we start with sine. Sine equal to what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Theta that we suppose is opposite side is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. 5 upon 13. So if sine is there, you can find out its reciprocal. Cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon opposite. Reciprocal of sine is cosec 13 upon 5. Now tan theta. Tan is what? Opposite upon adjacent. No hypotenuse is there. For this theta, opposite is 5 and adjacent is 12. 5 upon 12. And so its reciprocal is what? Cot theta. Cot theta. Cot is what? Adjacent upon opposite. That means 12 upon 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ratios are there. Okay, so in this way you can find all ratios. 6 number. See, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A and angle B are equal. See, cos A equal to cos B, angle A and angle B are acute angle. Like in triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are acute angles, so we take angle C is 90. Angle A, B and C. C is 90, angle A and angle B are acute angle. What about formula of cos? Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Now here we select angle A. For angle A, adjacent is AC and hypotenuse is AB. What about cos B? Formula remains same, adjacent upon hypotenuse. But for angle B, for this angle B, adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is AB. Right? But given is what? Cos A equal to cos B. Cos B, sorry. This is given. According to the data, according to the diagram, you can say cos A equal to what? AC upon AB. And cos B equal to what? BC upon AB. See, both the side denominator same, so you can cancel. Or think about that. This is a division. Take this side, it will be in multiplication. So AB will be cancelled. So now you derive that AC equal to what? BC. AC is this and BC is this. In triangle, in any triangle, if two sides are given equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. This rule you have learned in 9th standard. So, in triangle ABC, AC equals to BC. Therefore, opposite angle A equal to angle B. Is it okay? Hence, we prove it. Okay? Now we will start question number 7. Write down all those things.